Welcome to Telugu ctet channel. Today we are discussing about the when, where and how from the history topic paper 2. Ctet paper 2. Let's get into the questions. The previous questions are: in the middle of the 19th century, British historians divided history of India into three periods in Hindu Indian, Muslim Indian, and British Indian. What is the basis of this division? And here, in the 19th century, the British historian were divided into three periods: Hindu Indian, Muslim Indian, and British Indian. And here, what is the basis of this division? What is the main basis of this division of the three periods? And here the option 1 is the correct answer. It was based on idea that religions of the rulers was an important historical changes. Let's see the remaining options also. History of England is also written in the similar way. And third option is Britishers felt they were more knowledgeable at that point of time in history and so used this division. It was convenient and easy to remember. And here the main theme to divide the uh, three periods is it is a different ideals that region. It was based on the ideas of that regions and of their rulers, and it changed the importance of historical. Okay, now first option is a correct answer. And second one, six number of the following statements about the ancient manuscript is not. Second one, which of the following statement about the ancient manuscript is not correct? In the given four options, which is not correct belongs to the ancient manuscript? And your first option is they were usually written on the palm leaves. It is a correct answer. There are primary source on the period they reflected. It is also correct answer. They were handwritten and then printed. It is a wrong answer. This is a wrong answer. And next, some manuscripts were engraved on stones and metal, and the third option is a correct option. And next, what is common era? What is common era? And the first option is a new era developed by amalgamations of Hindu era and Islamic era. A new era is study historical events. The Christian era, which is now accepted in major parts of the world. Indian era, accepted by the government to issue the notice. And this third option is the correct option. Christian era, which is now accepted in the major parts. And next answer, the year 2012 can also be written as year in the 2012 we written as AD 2012, AD 2012, not AP 2012. Why? Because AD mean anno domain. And next, the divisions of the period of Indian history into the ancient, medievals, and the modern also has a problem. Which of the following is one of the problem in it? And here there is four problems are there. Four problems: tripartite division, reflection, gradual growth of the Indian state. Second option is the three periods are insufficient to describe the Indian history. Third option, the concept has been borrowed from the West, where modern period was associated with the science, reason, democracy, liberty, and equality. Fourth option, Indian history seems to have clear line of distinction between ancient and medieval and modern period. And here the third option is a correct option. This third answer is a correct option. And next question. Consider the following two statements A and B on the manuscript and inscription and choose the correct answer. And here we have to choose the correct option. They given below and they given the statements type. Okay, it given in the ctet Feb 2015. Manuscripts were usually written on the palm leaf or on the specially prepared bark of the tree known as breech. And second B1, inscriptions were written by the relative hard surface like stone and metal. And here both are the true. And first option is both A and B are the true, and second one is A false, B true. And third one, both A and B are the false, and A true, B false. And here two types or sentences true. Then option 1. And next, why would you ask a question on historical imaginations? choose the most appropriate option from the following. We have to choose appropriate options for the historical imagination. And first option is it courageous comparisons of the present with the past. It evaluates a student ability to identify the source. It is funny way to remember the dates and events. It shows how historians fill gaps in the history with their imaginations. And here the correct option is the first one. Correct option is the first option. Whether encouraging the comparison of the past to present. Comparison between the two historical ages. The past historical to the present situation. And next, and achieve achieve is a place where achieve is a place where and here achieve is a place where. Here the first option historical manuscripts and documents are kept, excavated bones of animals and bird are kept, remains of the building made of stones and bricks found by the archaeologists are kept, and fourth one the sculpture found in the excavator are kept. And here achieve means archived means history, manuscripts and documents are kept. Where we have to keep these documents and manuscript we call as a archive. Archive, AR, not achieve, archive. And next, last question in this topic. When, where and how topic. This is the last question for the paper 2 social, and it give in the September 2016. History will help you too. Yeah, asking, and they given the which of the following above are correct. First one is the understand how the present evaluation, and second one understand the working of our physical and social world. Compare the past with the present, and here understand the present evaluation. We have to understand comparing to the past to the present, and understand the working of our physical and social world. We have to understand the past physical and social world and present physical and social world, and compare the past with the present, how they lived in the past and now how we are living at the present. And the option first one is the correct answer, A and B and C. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for the more videos.